Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. So here we are covering visuals under this playlist. So in the previous tutorial guys, we have studied about this field map visual. I hope guys now you are cleared with this field map visual. And now in today's tutorial guys, we will talk about the next visual of Power BI, which name is gauge chart. So before start this class guys, let me give you brief knowledge about this gauge chart. So gauge chart are used to show progress towards a particular goal. It helps to understand to what extent a goal has been completed or not. Gauge chart are often used to present key performance indicator such as sales, revenue, manpower, productivity or profits. So in simple word guys, you guys can say gauge charts helps you to see the goals or target whether it is achieved or not. And now let's go to the practical page of gauge chart. So here you guys can see I have already taken this gauge chart from this visualization pane. And along with this gauge chart, I have also taken two card visuals and one slicer where I have displayed the total target, total sales and the month. And here you guys can see I have also created one small table which name is target. So let's go to the data view first. And here under this table guys, I have taken small size of data set so that you guys can better understanding about this gauge chart concept. So here we have month column, products, sales, month number, target and countries. And the card visual you guys have seen here under this report view. So I have taken these two columns here under the card visual. The first one is sales and the second one is target. So this is the total of sales and this is the total of target. And now guys look at the parameter of this gauge chart. So here we have value, minimum value, maximum value, target value and tooltip. So guys firstly talk about this value parameter. So here under this parameter guys, you guys can take any measurable value like profit, sales, revenue and so on. So let me expand this target table from here, and here I will take this sales column and drop here under this value parameter. So here we guys can see the moment I drop this sales column here under this value parameter, so we guys can see the shaded portion here under this gauge chart. And we can also see the sum of total sales which is 38k. You guys can also see here under this card visual. But this time guys, this chart is not useful to analyze anything related to goal or target. So what we need to do guys, we need to enter any target value here under this gauge chart. So if I click here on this gauge chart and if I scroll it down guys, so here we guys can see we have a parameter which name is target value. So we also have target column in our data set. You guys can clearly see it here. And the total of the target is 44k. So what I'll do guys, I will simply select this target column and drop here under this target value parameter. And now here we guys can see the moment I drop this target column here under this target value parameter, then you guys can see one target line is appearing here, which is the total of this target column which is 44k. You guys can clearly see it here under this card visual. And now let's understand this gauge chart. So we have made the total sales is 38k and our target is 44k. That means we have not met our sales as per the target. We are just behind 6,000 approx of our target. And here you guys can see the gapping between this target line and this shaded portion. That means we are just missed our target with this small unshaded portion. And we have missed our goal around 6,000. So this is the total sales guys and this is the total target. And now let's understand more about this visual. So here guys we can see I have taken one slicer visual, and under slicer visual guys I have taken month name. And now guys I want to check month wise month sales and target. So in which month how much sales we have made or we have achieved our target or not. So we will compare month wise month target and sales. So firstly let's talk about this January month. So I will simply click here on this January month here under this slicer. So here we guys can see in the month of January our total sales is 5000 and our target is 4800. That means we have overachieved our target in the month of January, because our target was 4800 and we have made the sales of 5000. That means we have overachieved our target around 200 of sales. And here guys, you have also observed one thing here. This shaded portion is crossed to this target line. That means we have overachieved our target. And in a similar way guys, you guys can check any of the month here under this slicer visual. So let's suppose guys, this time I would like to check the sales and target for the month of April. So I will simply select this April. So here we guys can see the total sales for the month of April is 7000 and the target is 10,000. That means we clearly missed the target from 3000. We are just behind our target of 3000. So in this way guys, we guys can check month wise month target. And now let's talk about the more parameter of this gauge chart. So here we have minimum value, maximum value and tooltips. So guys, if you have a columns of maximum value or minimum value, then you guys can simply drag and drop this column here under this parameters, just like target and sales. But we don't have any such columns here, so we will skip this parameter and you guys can create simple data set and make practice of these parameters. And now let's talk about this formatting of this gauge chart. So I will simply go here in this formatting pane. So guys, we have different kind of formatting feature here under this gauge chart. So before covering this formatting feature, let me remove this target line. So I will simply go here and remove this target line. So I am removing this target value. And now I will go here in this formatting pane. So the first formatting feature is gauge axis. So let me expand this feature first. So here we guys can see we have three options: min, max and target. So we guys can manually enter any minimum value, any maximum value, or we guys can also set any own target if we don't have any target column. So let's assume guys we don't have any this target column and we want to create our own target. So here guys we can simply enter any of the target value. So let's assume guys I am adding 50,000 as a target. And let me uncheck this April month. And now here you guys can see our new target line has added, which is 50k. And under this minimum value and maximum value parameter guys, you guys can take any random value. So here this time guys, the value is 0k. So I want minimum value as 10k. So I will put it here 10,000. See guys, the value has changed. And in a similar way guys, it is displaying double of this total sales, which is 76k. But if you guys want to change this value, so you guys can add any of the maximum value. Let's say 1 lakh. See guys, the value has changed. So in this way guys, you guys can enter manually data and display the figures accordingly. I hope guys now you are clear with this gauge axis formatting part. And now let's go to the next formatting option, which is color. So from here guys, you guys can change this shaded portion color as well as this target line color. So firstly I will change this shaded portion color. So let me convert into blue. So here we guys can see the shaded portion color has changed. And if you guys want to change the color of this target line, so simply select this target color and change the any of the color which you want. And now let's go to the next formatting feature, which is data label, which we have already covered many times in the previous video of visualization playlist. But if you expand this feature here, and here you guys can change the font style and the size, and you guys can also change the color of your data labels. And if you scroll it down guys, so from here guys, you guys can also change the display units, and you can also add or decrease the decimal places. So let me again convert into 1000. And now let's talk about the next formatting feature of this gauge chart, which is target label. So if you expand this target label guys, so again you can see the values. So from here guys, you guys can simply increase or decrease the size of your target value. You guys can also change the colors, and you guys can also change the font setting. And from here guys, you guys can also change the display units. And the last formatting feature guys is callout value. So let me expand this callout value. And from here guys, you guys can also change the color of your callout value. You can also change the font style. And from here guys, you guys can also change the display units. But we don't have any option to increase or decrease the size of this callout value. So guys, we have almost covered all the detailing feature about this gauge chart. And rest features guys, you need to explore about yourself. I hope guys you have definitely enjoyed this tutorial and cleared with all the features of this gauge chart visual. So for such kind of detailed learning guys, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail from scratch. And if you click here on this playlist guys, so you guys can see multiple playlists are here. So with the help of this DAX expression playlist guys, you guys can learn DAX functions from scratch, where I have tried to cover each and every DAX functions in detail. And we also have one more playlist guys, which name is Power BI Updates, where you guys will get to see the latest updates about Power BI. So you don't require to go anywhere to see latest updates about Power BI. And with the help of this visualization playlist guys, I am also trying to cover all the Power BI visuals in detail. And those who are visit first time on this channel, kindly hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. So stay connected with us for such kind of detailed learning. And for the job seekers guys, we also have this free Telegram group, where I am keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview questions and answers, which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and trainings. But if you still think guys you require paid training sessions, so I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day 1 class guys, I prepare for you interview rounds with some scenario based question which is recently asked by an interviewer. So for paid training support or any other queries guys, you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. You guys can follow me there. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.